In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ShipRocket with Shopify in just under 5 minutes. If you're an online retailer looking to streamline your shipping processes, integrating ShipRocket with your Shopify store can be a game changer. ShipRocket offers features like automated shipping, multiple courier options, and end-to-end tracking, making it a vital tool for efficient order management. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Shopify's URL, or simply click on your bookmark if you have one. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, find and click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure your password is strong, yet memorable, to keep your store secure. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify home dashboard. This is your command center, equipped with all the tools you need to manage your store effectively. From this dashboard, look for the Settings tab, usually located at the bottom left of the interface, and give it a click. This will open a menu providing access to various customization options for your store. Next, head towards the Apps and Sales Channels section. This step is crucial as you're about to explore new applications that can enhance your store's capabilities. After clicking on this section, you should see an option to visit the Shopify App Store. This is your gateway to a plethora of applications designed to optimize your Shopify store. Click on that option to proceed. Once inside the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to type in ShipRocket. The search results will display various integration solutions offered by ShipRocket. Carefully review the options to ensure you select the one that best suits your needs. The descriptions and user reviews can be of great assistance here, providing insights into each app's functionality and user satisfaction levels. After choosing the app, click on it to view more details. This page will give you a comprehensive overview of what the app can do. Whenever you're ready, locate the Install button, prominent on the page, and with a simple click of that button, the installation process will begin. You might be asked to authorize certain permissions. Ensure you read through these permissions carefully before proceeding. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice ShipRocket added to your list of installed apps back in the Shopify dashboard. All that's left is a quick setup within the ShipRocket app, where you can customize the settings according to your store's requirements. And there you have it, a seamless integration of ShipRocket with your Shopify store to expedite your shipping needs. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you streamline your shipping process and enhances your store's efficiency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome tutorials.